Hello, Tommy Olsson here. This is a video about credit repair secrets. In this video I'm going to share with you a free platform. Yes, you can sign up for free, create a free account where you get access to top training, how to fix your credit score and improve it, and how to write letter if you're going to dispute a decision from some company or so, and everything you need to know to improve your credit score. Beyond that, you will learn how to build multiple streams of income and get extra cash flow. If you like this kind of video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. So let's go to this free site now. So here what it looks like in the free platform, how to Facebook. There will be training also about Facebook marketing and how to brand yourself and so on. But as you can see here, you can click on this to access promotion materials to this platform, and you get to email your leads as often as you want to, even if you're a free member. I recently joined, so I don't have any leads yet, but still you can use this to promote anything you want. But now let's have a look at credit repair training. Here's an introduction video, and then you just information about the course, and then you just click on that, and here you have first a video from one of the guys behind this system, and then you have access to all these credit repair courses as a free member. It's 20 free videos. That's really good. And here you can see how you're protected, 10K foot view and so on, the rounds, and all these free trainings you get access to for free. And this is training by an expert, knows what he's talking about. So all of these videos will help you to fix your or improve your credit score. And you can search here to search for any video you want to find, newest, oldest, and of the name. And you can see your watch list and the videos you have watched, your courses. And here you have a link to support desk, and here you can click on back to dashboard. So one of the guys behind the system is Tyson Curtis, and it's his friend that's an expert about credit repair that you will learn from in the videos. So if you wanna create your free account, click the link below. And as I said, you will learn also how to build multiple streams of income. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye bye.